going on? I am here with a video. So I'm gonna be building a boat and I'm gonna show you all the steps. I'm gonna go from 1 to 100. So I'm gonna show you what's going on and what has to be done to this boat. So the boat was my great-grandfather's and it got handed to a family friend, and it's been at their pond for 12 years, and there's some dents and dinks everywhere, so it's not perfect, but it's a free boat. So I'm gonna show you what happened when I was bringing it from Ohio to North Carolina. Yeah, let's just show you that. So as you see right here, I have these 2x4s clamped to the boat because when I was stopped in West Virginia to visit a cousin, I went to Walmart and someone backed into my boat and there was a nice crease all the way down straight here, and had to fix it. And yeah, this is what I came up with because no one's out there with showing you how to fix aluminum, so I'm doing this myself, thinking of how I do it, just starting. So you can see right here, oh nope, you can't see, let me see if I can, there's a little dent that goes up right here and it's like a little loop, and that's where that got hit right there. And yeah, I'm trying to fix it, so I'm trying to bend it back out because this piece got bent in, and I put this 2x4 under there so I can push it back up with the clamps. That's what I'm using for these. And yeah, so someone backed into it when I was at Walmart, and I had to park in 2 spots because this is a 12-foot boat, and 12-foot boat, big. So yeah, it sucks because it stuck out 2 feet from the truck because we have a 6.5-foot bed, but with the tailgate down, it left 2 feet. So someone didn't even think, looking back, and I had flags everywhere showing I had a boat. They didn't pay attention and backed into it. So here's another thing I gotta be working on and I gotta figure out how to fix. So we're at the back of the boat right now. I'm just sitting down. There is a hole right there. You see through that. So I'll have to get some JD weld or have someone weld that, but the boat's aluminum. A lot of people don't do aluminum, so I have to fix that myself. And then I might tack up this spot, like every spot too, because it looks like it might be leaking water. Because remember, this boat, last time it was registered was 97, so it's 2019, so it's been a long time, over 20 years. So then you can see right here, the wood's falling apart. It's dry rotted, so I gotta take this off and fix or replace that. And then let me know in the comments below what are these little things. I'm not sure. So it's to clamp the wood back onto the boat, and then I'll have to remove that for the engine, because I am getting an engine for this boat. Hopefully I can get a 6 horsepower, 5 horsepower engine. And then I'm gonna be replacing this right here, because this is the back wood. It's still, I mean, it's in good shape-ish, but I'm gonna take this off and put a new one on just because I'm redoing the whole boat. So hopefully I can get that done. And then I have to remove these handles because they're on there with that. So move move these pieces, and then fix the front. And then I have to figure out how I'm gonna fix, let me find it right here. You see that little bump in it? From sitting at a pond for 12 years, it takes a toll. So there's a bend in the boat right here. You won't really be able to see it, but there's a crack right there that runs right there. But it broke that off, which is exactly like those. Let me find it right there. So yeah, and this boat is massively hot because it's like 100 degrees out. So, and it broke that, so I'll have to figure out how to clamp that together, fix that, push that back in because it's loose. So if you like this video, like and subscribe so you can see what's all going on with this boat, and I'll catch you in this next video. Peace.